Are you torn between the long-lasting appeal of James Hardie ColorPlus technology and the customizable potential of prime siding for your home? The choice isn't just about color, it's about longevity, maintenance, and value over time. In this video, we dive deep into the James Hardie's ColorPlus versus prime siding, helping you make an informed decision for your home's exterior. Welcome back. I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and today we're comparing two leading siding options on the market: the ready-to-go beauty of James Hardie ColorPlus Technology siding and the paint-it-yourself flexibility of prime siding. From installation efficiency to warranty coverage, we'll help you weigh the pros and cons, ensuring your home not only looks stunning, but stands the test of time. Let's get into it. ColorPlus Technology stands out for its exceptional color retention. The UV-resistant baked-on color ensures your siding resists fading even under the relentless sun or in harsh weather. It promises a vibrant appearance for years without the need for repainting. Prime siding, while offering the flexibility to choose any paint color, demands more upkeep. Paint applied on site may not adhere as uniformly or resist the elements as well, leading to potential fading, chipping, or peeling over time, necessitating frequent touch-ups or complete repainting. ColorPlus Technology simplifies upkeep. Its durable finish reduces the need for regular maintenance to occasional cleaning. Prime siding requires a commitment to ongoing maintenance. To preserve its appearance, you may find yourself engaged in the labor-intensive cycle of scraping, priming, and painting every few years, a process that can be both costly and disruptive into your day-to-day normal life. ColorPlus Technology siding arrives pre-finished and ready to install, streamlining the installation process. This not only speeds up project completion, but also minimizes the inconvenience to homeowners. Prime siding, needing paint application after the installation, introduces additional steps to the siding project. This not only extends the project timeline, but also adds complexity, as weather conditions must be favorable for painting, potentially leading to delay. ColorPlus Technology comes with James Hardie's robust warranty, reflecting confidence in their product's durability and color longevity. This comprehensive coverage offers peace of mind knowing that both material and finish are protected. Primed siding warranties can be more complex, often requiring homeowners to navigate separate guarantees for the siding material and the paint finish. The level of protection may vary depending on the quality of the paint used and the expertise of the professionals applying it, potentially leaving homeowners to address any paint-related issues on their own. Choosing between ColorPlus Technology and prime siding boils down to prioritizing ease of maintenance, longevity, and overall value. While ColorPlus offers a hassle-free, long-lasting solution with a strong warranty, prime siding provides flexibility and color choice at the cost of more frequent upkeep and potential variability in warranty coverage. As you consider your siding options, reflect on what matters most for your home's protection, appearance, and your personal peace of mind. Whichever choice you lean towards, ensure it aligns with your long-term expectations and lifestyle needs. If you're on the fence about which siding option is perfect for your home, or if today's insights have sparked more questions, we're here to help. Click the link above to check out the Southwest Exteriors Learning Center. Here you'll find comprehensive guides and answers to all your questions about siding for your home. Don't forget, the right choice can transform your home's appearance and durability. Thank you for joining us as we compare James Hardie's ColorPlus Technology siding and primed, ready-to-paint siding for your home. For more home improvement solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.